Well, students, today we will discuss about the stanzas from the poem The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. Stanza number first. To road I was in a yellow wood, and soil I could not travel more. And with one trailer long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it went in the undergrowth. First, look the difficult words. Diverse, divided, divided. In a yellow wood, old forest, old forest, old forest. And sorry, I could not travel both. I means the poet, the poet. Could not travel both. Travel to wander. And be one traveler. A person who travels. A person who travels. Long I stood. I, the poet, stood, second form of the stand. Stand, second form. And look down, second form of the verb. Look. One, as far as ये डिस्टेंस को दिखाता है. shows distance to where it bent, second form of the verb bent in the undergrowth, buses, झाड़ियां. Two road diverged in a yellow wood. The poet says that two road divided in a yellow wood. It means the poet was in an old forest, and he was traveling. Then two roads diverged in a yellow wood. And sorry, I could not travel both. And being a one traveler, he could not travel both. कि पोइट इस प्रकार चल रहा था, वहां से टू रोड्स इस प्रकार बढ़ गए. एंड वी वन ट्रेवलर, ही was a single traveler, so he could not travel on both same time. Long I stood. On this point, he was in a confusion. Which road he should choose? So he stood there for a long time. And looked down, नीचे की तरफ देखा, रोड्स की तरफ. One as far as I could, जहां तक पोइट देख सकता था वहां तक उसने उन रोड्स को देखा. To where it went in the undergrowth, एक रोड को उसने वहां तक देखा जहां तक वो देख सकता था. उस जगह तक, जिस जगह तक ये ब्यूसीज में जाके गायब हो गया, आगे झाड़ियों में जाके गायब हो गया. तो ये चॉइस को दिखाता है कि चॉइस इज अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. अब पोइट के सामने टू चॉइस थी, इसको सुने या इसको सुने, दो ऑप्शंस थे, अल्टरनेटिव्स थे. क्वेश्चंस में भी formatted as, we will discuss about some questions and answers. How many roads are mentioned in the stanza? Answer must be in the same tense. How many? It means write the number. Number लिखना है, संख्या लिखनी है. How many roads are mentioned in the stanza? Mentioned, described. In हिंदी की stanza में कितने roads को describe किया गया है? Answer: two roads are mentioned in this stanza, and in place of sign of interrogation in answer we will use full stop. Edition number second. Could the poet travel both the roads on the same time? Could. Start with the helping verb. Answer demands yes or no. So's past. Could the poet travel both the roads? क्या poet दोनों रोड्स पर ट्रेवल कर सकता था एक साथ. No, according to the stanza, no, the poet could not travel both the roads on the same time. What is meant by yellow wood? Mean. What is meant by yellow wood? Yellow wood, old forest in autumn season. AUTUMN, autumn season. और फॉरेस्ट का मतलब है ऑटम सीजन में. येलो वुड मीन्स एंड ओल्ड फॉरेस्ट इन ऑटम सीजन. व्हाट डिड द पोएट डू फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम? व्हाट पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. व्हाट डिड द पोएट डू फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम? आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वर्ड व्हाट. द पोएट, सब्जेक्ट, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. The poet stood. The poet stood for a long time. Long I stood. Here the poet stood for a long time. Name the poem and the poet. The name of the poem is The Road Not Taken. And the name of the poet is Robert Frost. Such type of questions are asked in the exam. And different more questions may be formatted from the stanzas. These are only for example. From stanza number 2, then took the other just as fair. Fair, साफ सुथरा. गुड से मतलब है अच्छा होने से मतलब है. टीचर तो फेयर लिखता है नोटबुक में, बिकॉज इट वो सेकंड रोड के लिए यूज हुआ है. इट and having perhaps the better claim. Good, better, best. Claim demand होता है. Demand. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the scene. As for that, the passing there, जिस स्थान तक लोग गुजर चुके थे उस स्थान तक, had warned them really about the same, वो एक जैसे ही लिख चुके थे. Warn used frequently. Warn का use frequently से है यहाँ पर. Warn use frequently. And having then took the other. The poet was in confusion because before him there were two roads. At last he decided to take the other. दूसरी रोड को लेने का निर्णय लिया. Just as fair, जो भी साफ सुथरा था. And having perhaps the better claim, और पोइट को लगा कि इसका दावा पहले वाले रोड से अच्छा था. Claim demand. Because it was grassy, क्योंकि सेकंड रोड की विशेषता क्या थी? वो ग्रासी भी था, उसके ऊपर घास थी. एंड वांटेड वियर घिसना चाहता था, मतलब उसके ऊपर अधिक लोग नहीं चल चुके थे. दो yet be as for that the passing there, जहाँ तक गुजरने की बात है एक निश्चित बिंदु तक, had warned them really about the same, उन एक निश्चित बिंदु तक दोनों ही रोड्स हैं उनका सेम यूज किया जा चुका था. लेकिन उसके आगे जो सेकंड वाला था वो ग्रासी था और पहले वाले से अच्छा था. तो ये मेकिंग चॉइस के बारे में है ये पोएम. मेकिंग चॉइस इज अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क, डिसीजन मेकिंग इज अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क एंड इट अफेक्ट्स फ्यूचर. ये फ्यूचर को प्रभावित करता है. क्वेश्चंस में भी फॉर्मेटेड. व्हिच रोड डिड द पोएट टेक? व्हिच रोड, फर्स्ट और सेकंड? The other road or the second road? The poet took the second road, or the second road was taken by the poet. Active or passive, but answer must be in the same tense, so it will be appropriate to write the poet took the other road. What was the condition of the road? Condition. What was the condition? It was grassy. It was grassy and wanted wear. What was the condition of the road? It was grassy and wanted wear. Which road has a better claim? Good, बेटर बेस्ट पहले वाले से एडजेक्टिव की कंपैरिजन की डिग्री है। पहले वाले से अधिक दावा किस रोड का बनता था? विच रोड हैज अ बेटर प्लेन? The other road has a better plane. The second road has a better plane. Why did the poet select the second road? Why means reason. 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 Why did the poet select the second road past indefinite tense? Answer demands second form of the verb. The poet selected the second road because it was grassy, less traveled by, and wanted via. These were the questions from two stanzas, first and second. We discussed about the difficult words and their meanings, questions, and explanation of the two stanzas or paraphrase. You are advised to study about them, word meanings, questions, and summary from the poem The Road Not Taken. Two stanzas are left. You are advised to study about them. We will discuss them in future videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.